We used MrBeast's 510 million view thumbnail as a blueprint. Watch, head to deepai.org. Search for images that are similar to MrBeast's thumbnail. We'll share the AI prompts next. Copy these AI prompts for the thumbnail images: the yellow boat, the captain, and the small boat. You can pause this video to copy these prompts, or you can copy them from the description below. Use deepai.org or other AI image generator tools. Then head to Canva. Search for the images and drag them on the page. Adjust them to fit the page. You can reposition the images until they have the right composition. Keep tweaking until you're happy with it. Take your time and enjoy the process. Once you're happy with it, upload the next image and drag it on the page. You can resize it, use the flip tool, then click the edit button to tweak the appearance of the image. Do the same for the other image. From the edit tool, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, highlights, and so many other photo adjustments. Keep in mind that thumbnails with high contrast and are vibrant perform best, like MrBeast's thumbnails. Keep researching and learning from high-performing thumbnails or creators. Next, upload the next image. For the captain image, resize and reposition it to fit the page. Use the Remove Background tool. Keep tweaking and adjusting until you're happy with it. Then use the Edit tool to tweak the photo adjustments. Remember, high contrast and vibrant thumbnails are key to more clicks and views, just like MrBeast's thumbnails. Then add the text for the $sign with 1 and the 1 billion. Resize it. Change the font to Chantel Sands. Change the color. Add the outline effect and adjust its thickness. Reference MrBeast's thumbnail and other content creators' thumbnails. Keep tweaking. Remember, text on screen needs to be intentional. Position the text just like on MrBeast's thumbnail and keep adjusting. Once you're happy with it, duplicate it, update the text, reposition it, and make sure they're aligned. That's it. Comment if this is a copy or thumbnail genius. Subscribe for more.